Hello, today we are going to look at how to use the Vlookup in Excel. Supposing you have this data, and you want to find out if you type a name here and you want to know the total. So first, let's use Yao. So we type, you pick one of the names from the list here. So for this tutorial we are using Yao. Then you come here, you want to find the total mark for Yao. So you type equal to, then you type the function Vlookup. So the function is equal to Vlookup. Then you click on the name. You click on the name here, then you bring your comma. Then you come and select your list. So here you have selected all the name, the test, exams, and their total. Then you bring your comma. Then here the column index. So we want to find the total. So here, this is where you have to pay attention. So the Vlookup. So the first row, no, the first column here, the name, you take it as number 1. The test will be number 2. The exams will be number 3. Then the total will be what? 4. So you type 4. Then you bring your comma. Then the last one, you click on what? False. That is, you want the exact match. So you can either type 0 or 4. So let's double click on the false here. Then you close your bracket. So let's go back again. So you want to use the Vlookup to search for what? Data from this list. And the data you want to search for is the total. You pick one of the names from the name list here. So we pick Yao. Then under the total, you type equal to. Then you type the function Vlookup. Then you bring your comma. Then you click on the name, the first name, like the name that you have typed here. You click on it. Then you come and select your data. After that, you bring your comma. Then where the column that you are working on, here we are working on total. So you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total is number 4. So you type 4, you bring your comma, then you type false, or you can type 0, which means you want the exact match. When you are done, you press enter. So you see that the total mark for Yao is what? 57. So if we should change the Yao and type Kwame here, if you press enter, it will give us the total mark for Kwame. So let's go over the calculation again. So what we are saying that you want to use the Vlookup. So for total, if we should type a name, we should be able to find the total mark for that name. So the name that you have, you can pick one of them. So for this tutorial, we are picking what? Kwame. So you type the Kwame here, then under total, you type the equal to sign, then you type the function lookup. So when you double click, it will come. Then the argument, that is lookup value. So we are using names as our lookup value. So you click on the name, then you bring your comma, then the table array. So this is the table you want to use. So then you bring your comma. Then we are column index, which the column that you want to find. So you want to know that when we type the name of a student, we want to find his or her total mark. So the total mark you count. You start counting from the left to right. So name is 1, test is 2, exams is 3, then the total is 4. You type 4, then you bring your comma again. Then you want the exact match, so that is false. So you can double click on the false, or you can type 0. So let's double click on the false. After that, then you close the bracket. Then when you are done, you press the enter. So you see that Kwame, his mark is what, 52. So if we should change the Kwame and type a different name here, maybe Gamma. So sorry. So we type Gamma here. When we press enter, it will give us what? The total mark for Gamma. If we should change Gamma and type what? Done. If we press enter, then it will give us the total mark for that. So this is how to use the VLOOKUP in Excel. Thank you.